Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.
So just few months back we made a video on Pewdiepie promoting our channel and kept the target of 20 likes to make the tutorial video of that video. So I think it is the right time to make the tutorial video since we achieved our target. So hello everyone, I'm Analdeep and this is our YouTube channel Anything for Anyone. Let's get started. So to make the video, firstly you need an editing software. You can use any editing software. If you are using mobile, then you can use KineMaster, Power Director, etc. And if you are using PC, laptop, then you can use Filmora, Premiere Pro, etc. But the only thing you should keep in your mind is that the software should support chroma key. So I'm using Filmora 9 to show you. Secondly, you need a video clip of Pewdiepie. You will find it on the description. Just click on the link below, then you will redirect it to this page and then click on download. So now your video is downloading. After that, go to your YouTube channel and take a screenshot of your channel. So these were the basic requirements. Now let's see how to make it. Okay, so first of all import your files, then bring the Pewdiepie clip on the timeline and drag it little bit. Then double click on the video and select chroma key. Now you can see that the green screen have been removed. Now bring your screenshot on the timeline. Put the green screen video up and below it put the screenshot. Adjust the duration. After that, open chroma key once more and adjust the settings. You can copy down the settings from me. Now click on OK and your video is ready.
Guys, check out my new favorite channel. It is so good. Oh my god. Look at it.
So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment. See you in the next video. Till then.
Thank you.